Hey Saggy, it's Monica and I'm back to do your guys' October love reading. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to start with their feelings. How is Saggy's person feeling about them or the relationship? Alright, your person got, whoops, I can't stop thinking about you. Ooh, nice. So your person's thinking very much about you these days or in the month of October. Alrighty, show me for Sagittarius, please. How Sagittarius is feeling. Alright, my loves, you guys got, I remember every detail of that day. This could be the day you met, the day you fell in love, the day you separated, something really important about a certain day. Alright, let's go ahead and pull for what they're thinking about the relationship. Alright, how's Sagittarius person, what are they thinking about the relationship? Deep down inside, what are they thinking? Ascending, okay. Transcending obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union. Oh, nice. I feel like somebody's coming towards you, Saggy, in the month of October. And for Sagittarius, maybe, yeah, the day you guys met or something. Very cool. For Sagittarius, please. Alright. Okay, you guys got the card separation. Sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, and unsure of the future. So some of you guys are definitely in separation from the person that you love. Let's find out what you guys are going to be pursuing in October. What is Sagittarius person going to be pursuing in the month of October? What are you pursuing in October? Okay. You guys might be dealing with the Libra. With the number 38, toil and labor. So your person is really focusing on their work or even trying to work out this relationship. And for Sagittarius, they're most focusing on a courtship. So this could be a new courtship. This could be Aries or Scorpio that you're dealing with. Or this could be a courtship from your past, a past relationship. And let's see what Spirit wants for each of you. Alright, Saggy, for your person. Whoa, we got a flyer. Okay, they got the card Peace. And the card says, I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. So this is about them having peace of mind. No matter what's going on in their life. And for Sagittarius, what do we have, please, for Saggy? The Spirit want you to focus on. I want clue 2. Okay. Fear. It says, I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. So live in love, not fear. As the Spirit wants you to work on for the month of October. Let's go ahead and get into the tarot and find out some more. I do feel like somebody's wanting to come towards you. Somebody that can't forget about you. You really left a lasting impression on this person. Whether you are separated or together. If you're together, this person wants to get closer with you. If you're separated, they want to come back. Come back for their Saggy. Alright, now I'm going to do a side-by-side you, your person. The third card is going to be what happened in the past. The fourth card is going to be what lies between you. And then the fifth card will be the outcome. And I'll pull clarifiers. Ooh, very nice. You know what? This one just fell out. I'm just going to show them to you. The Hierophant and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So this tells me that for some of you guys that are married, you guys are going through a difficult time. Or there may be somebody that you're dealing with that's married or having a difficult, they're in a difficult marriage or high commitment relationship. Yeah, this is a marriage or a high level commitment that is going through difficulties right now. Things are changing. Put these back in there. If they want to come out, they will. Alright, for my Sagittarius, please. What is Sagittarius bringing to the table in this relationship? Alright. So you got strength in reverse. You could be dealing with a Leo. Or just have it strong in your chart. So you are not holding back. This card, when it's in the upright, this is about the need to have wisdom, to know when to hold back, to listen to your higher self, to have faith in the universe, and just to be calm and to be patient. Once in the reverse, this is somebody who could be out of control. You could be feeling a bit out of sorts right now. And for Sagittarius person, please. For Sagittarius person, what do they bring to the table? So they're in contemplation right now. They're wondering what they should do. Should they come back? What have they invested? Was it worth it? Is it worth it? Will this grow? They're pondering right now. They're wondering what to do next. Show me what happened in the past, please, between Sagittarius and their person. Why did this happen? We have the Chariot here. For some of you guys, this is Cancer, or you're dealing with a Cancer. For some of you guys, a Cancer could have showed up in the past, and there could have been some kind of interference from them. For others of you, in the past, things were moving forward. They were progressing. Things were going well. You guys were progressive and achieving something, accomplishing what you wanted to. This is about home as well, and mother. For some of you guys, somebody's mother got involved in the relationship in the past. For others of you guys couldn't see eye to eye. You guys were not on the same page. You couldn't see eye to eye, so you couldn't work together for some reason. For some of you guys, I feel like you or your person may have moved away, and that caused a separation between the two of you, distance. For some of you guys, distance is, you guys are in a long distance relationship. Let's find out what lies between you right now in the now. What's in the now, please? What lies between these people? Between these two people, please. Sagittarius and their person. Oh, beautiful. Somebody's manifesting. We got the Magician. So this is power. This is being in your element. This is having all the elements necessary in order to succeed. Somebody's trying to manifest here a successful relationship or a successful career. Whatever it is that you want to delve into right now, Sagittarius, you have all the power and everything necessary in order to accomplish that and to make a success of it. On occasion, the Magician can be somebody that is sneaky, somebody that is a trickster. They're known as, I'm going to clarify in just a moment, but let me pull the outcome, please. The outcome, please, Spirit. What's the outcome for this couple, for Sagittarius and their person? We got the World. Wow. So the World has all four of the fixed signs: Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius. And so the World card is also about long distance. It could be somebody of a different nationality than you that you're dealing with. The World card as an outcome is the ending of a cycle, and something brand new is about to be birthed. Something brand new is going to begin. Let me see here. So your person is wondering what they should do. You are beside yourself right now. You're outside of your element. You're not in control of your emotions, perhaps. Let me find out why the Magician is here. Why is the Magician here, Spirit? Why is the Magician here? Justice in the upright. You know what, Sag? I feel like you guys want justice and you guys want to serve it yourself. But you know what? Another interesting thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these cards are all major arcanas. The World, the Magician, Strength, Chariot, Justice. These are all major arcanas. So no matter what has gone on in the past, the universe is here. They're stepping in and they're correcting things. They're making right. They're righting some kind of wrong here. Maybe you have regrets. That's why your card says, I remember every detail of that day, and separation. Your person has love for you. They can't stop thinking about you. They want a relationship with you. They're working hard right now either on rebuilding themselves, building in a career, or trying to rebuild the relationship. And they're trying to have patience and calmness. Spirit wants them to have peace of mind, peace of heart over what's happened between the two of you. Your biggest thing that you're going to be focusing on is a courtship. But for some reason you have fear, and Spirit wants you to live in love and not in the spirit of fear. Let me take another layer to this. I want to know why things are ending. Tell me more about this relationship, please, Spirit, between Sagittarius and their person, the person that they're thinking about tonight. Tell me more about Sagittarius and their person, their relationship. What happened? What's going on? What happened? Whoa, we got a couple cards fall out. Ooh, we have the Queen of Swords on bottom. So give me one sec. We have the Seven of Wands, Death, another major arcana, which is Scorpio, and then we have the Ace of Pentacles. So this is change, transformation, right? The Death card. So we have Seven of Wands, Death, and Ace of Pentacles. So with these three cards coming out, I feel like somebody had a lot of things coming at them all at the same time. A lot of really difficult challenges. I feel like it was within themselves, though. They were needing to change. This could be you, or it could be your person. There was changes that needed to be made in order for you guys to come back and have this brand new start with Ace of Pentacles being here. I do see a new start happening for you guys, but only after something or someone is let go of. There has to be some sort of change, which is exactly why Spirit is here. There may have been a lot of fights or disagreements between the two of you. And we have on the bottom the Queen of Swords, which usually tells the story of what's going on. We have the Queen of Swords here. We have the Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. So somebody who gave up. They were doing too little to nothing either way. And then we have the Queen of Cups here. And the Hermit, another major arcana. And the Tower. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 14. Our major arcana is, yeah, this is definitely Spirit stepping in. So here we have a Knight of Pentacles, which could be a Virgo. And somebody had options here. This is what happened. This is why Spirit's coming in and breaking this all up. We have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and then the Knight of Pentacles in the middle. It could very well be this Knight of Pentacles Sagittarius that had to make a decision, a Virgo, between two different people. That's what I'm seeing here. That's what has to end before you guys can come together. And we got the Hierophant and the Wheel of Fortune in the beginning. Remember, those were 2 more major arcana, so that would have been 10. That was about an unhappy marriage or a marriage that was struggling. So maybe some of you guys are waiting for your person to get out of a marriage that is struggling or that's been difficult. But somebody's definitely having to decide between 2 different people here. And that maybe it's somebody manifesting a divorce. There, because the Justice in the upright can also mean divorce. And then we have the Hermit, Virgo energy again, and the Tower. So this person here, the Hermit, there's strong Virgo energy here in your guys' reading. But the Hermit and the Tower. So this person gave up right here, but they're coming back unexpectedly. When you least expect it, this person's going to show back up in your life. I'm not sure if the Hermit and the Knight of Pentacles is you deciding between 2 people, or it's your person deciding between 2 people. But somebody's definitely coming back. It's going to be sudden. It's going to be unexpected. It's going to be shocking. You're not expecting this at all. Give me an outcome, please, Spirit. Yeah, something has ended with that World card coming out. So let me see what you can expect for yourself. So someone had an ending. The ending of a cycle, not necessarily the relationship like a lot of people think. Oh, it's over. It's not. It's just the end of a certain cycle and the beginning of a new one. But let's find out what these cards here. Give me an outcome, please, for my Sagittarius in their love life. Give me an outcome for the situation. Yeah, someone's having to make a decision on who they want to be with. We got the Star. Oh my God, another major arcana. We got the card of Aquarius here now. So somebody's going to follow their heart. They're going to follow their dreams. They're going to listen to their intuition. They're going to heal. Excuse me. They're going to be healing a situation. I can't believe how many majors are out here. It's destiny, and somebody's going to be left very hurt. Sag, we got the Ten of Swords. Somebody's going to be pretty devastated over an ending that they're having. For some reason, I get, if some of you guys are dealing with a person that's married, the person's not coming back. They're going to choose their spouse. Of course, that's not going to resonate with everybody, because everybody here is not married or in that position either. But for people in a long-term relationship, I feel like they're going to stay with their person, the majority of them. And somebody's going to be left very hurt. Or if this person's person finds out, maybe they could end up feeling betrayed and just walking out of the relationship. Yeah, because there is, though, the Justice card and the Magician. Those are very, very powerful. Somebody may have manifested something wrong, and it's going to be corrected by the universe. Wow. Either way, I do see that you are going to have a brand new cycle. I see that you will find your happiness, your happily ever after with the Star card. I feel that you will heal, whether it's in this relationship or on your own or in a newer relationship. But you will find the healing that you need. And this chapter is coming to a close soon. Let me see what's on the bottom of this one. The High Priestess, of course, another major arcana. The High Priestess in reverse. There's definitely a third party here. And somebody's going to be having to make a decision. Okay, my loves, this is the reading that I have for you guys. Let me leave you with some advice from the Romance Angels. Romance Angels, please, Spirit, for Sagittarius. For Saggy, your advice is flirt. Extend your lighthearted energy to others. Yeah, especially if you're in a relationship with somebody who's already in a relationship. There you go. They're saying flirt. Put yourself out there. And for the person that you're dealing with, Sagittarius, healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Yeah, there's definitely some kind of family healing that needs to happen with your person. They may be going through certain things or having behaviors that their parents had maybe when they were younger or what they were exposed to. But there's a lot of healing that needs to be had, and it's going to come with that Star card coming out. I feel like it's going to come for both of you guys. Attract a soulmate card, please, Spirit, for Sagittarius. These ones are just for you guys. These ones I don't pull for your person. How to attract a soulmate. Your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. That's why that Strength card was in the reverse. Somebody here needs courage. Somebody here needs strength. Courage to pursue what your dreams are. Beautiful. Okay, my loves, that's the reading that I have for you guys tonight. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button or the notifications if you want to be notified when I upload. Excuse me. If anybody needs a private reading or you want to delve deeper into this relationship, don't hesitate to contact me. My email and my information is all in the description box. Love you guys. Good night, Sag.